Hello everyone, this is my fall night routine. This afternoon I was out getting coffee and had to go to Whole Foods, and of course I got distracted by the beautiful pumpkins. And there's Bo, trying to get in my shot, as always. And I had to get some ingredients for dinner that night. I always use my reusable bags whenever I can. Even the smallest things help our planet out so much. Then I drove home and we decided we wanted to carve our pumpkin. It was seriously so much fun. I love carving pumpkins so much. If I could carve a pumpkin every day, I would. And here's me getting the guts out of the pumpkin. Such a fun time. And I really love how it came out. I think it's so adorable. And then I decided I wanted to use one of my Halloween bath bombs from Lush. This one is the Eyeball. They literally have the best products ever. So if you have never tried it, go give it a try. It's so great. And then I just took off my makeup. If you want to see like an actual skincare routine video, give this video a thumbs up or let me know in the comments. Decided to use a face mask that night, and this one is one of my favorites from Lush. It smells like coffee, so if you like the smell of coffee, you will definitely love this one. And tonight I made chicken and gnocchi soup, which is so good. One of my favorite recipes in the world. Me and Bo watched Halloween Town while we ate, and Halloween Town is my favorite Halloween movie ever. I know I'm 22 and I still watch Halloween Town, but do not judge me. It's so good. And you can never be too full for dessert, especially if it is gelato. That night it got really cold, so professional fire maker Bo decided he was gonna start us a fire. Came out really nice. And then we made some pumpkin cookies because I was still hungry. I love essential oils so much, so I put some in my Himalayan sea salt lamp. And then I lit my favorite candle from Bath & Body Works. It's vanilla pumpkin and it's literally the bomb. It makes your room smell so good. Before I went to sleep, I watched some Gossip Girl and did some online shopping. I have an addiction to shopping, I know. And then I took my lavender pillow spray from Bath & Body Works and sprayed it all over my bed to help me sleep because it's so difficult for me to fall asleep for some reason, but this definitely helped. And then I finally fell asleep, so good night.
Was up late night ballin', counting up hundreds by the thousand.